Let us not choose wealth over what is truly significant, what are truly treasures in this world that we have. Good day. This is Reverend Father Charles Sawe, inviting you to journey together with me in reflecting on the Word of God. Today, we also celebrate the dedication of the Cathedral of the Archdiocese of Cebu. In our Gospel, it is very relevant to the context of our nation and our time today, where we are suffering from floods and substandard infrastructures because of corrupt politicians. In our Gospel, Zacchaeus, a tax collector, can be seen as our politicians in the modern world who have amassed wealth from bribes and pocketed taxes. Zacchaeus, as somebody who became a social outcast, can also be predicated to the politicians that are being scorned publicly for accountability. Though both the gospel and our current state of governance present a vivid image of harsh reality, we do not invalidate the possibility of change and transformation. This is a call to our leaders and to every dishonest kababayan who are in power, who are governing our nation. It is not yet too late. Zacchaeus, though he was rich, with all the efforts, he climbed a tree to witness Jesus. Surely because there was a void deep within that is lacking in his life, that even the wealth of this world cannot really satisfy. Let us not choose wealth over what is truly significant, what are truly treasures in this world that we have: our families, our united communities, integrity, honesty, and faith. Zacchaeus' climbing was also a significant leap for transformation. He just wished to see Jesus, yet because of that effort of climbing, that first step, Jesus invited himself to the life of Zacchaeus. He entered his home and a drastic change came into his life. May we take a step of living whatever is keeping us from climbing the tree, for Jesus to invite himself in our hearts.